In this video, I'm going to reveal the 11 best affiliate programs for the sports niche. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best affiliate programs and different ways to promote them. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The 11 best affiliate programs for the sporting niche. Now, as you know, sporting niche means just about everything. It can mean fishing, it can be gaming and wildlife, it can be basketball, football, and then even within that niche, it can be playing sports, it can be watching sports like sports jerseys. There's all sorts of ways to promote the sporting niche, so let's go ahead and get into it. #1 is simply with Cabelas. Now, Cabelas is a fishing, game, and wildlife company, and it can also be a pretty good way to make some passive income. As you can see on the screen here, up to 5% commission and a 14-day cookie window, which is very nice. Now, they offer just about everything for outdoor wildlife, gaming, and accessories. Fishing, they have camouflage, camo gear, boats, just about everything that you need to get up and running. So #1 is Cabelas. #2, and I just found this out recently, that Bass Pro Shops and Cabelas are actually owned by the same people. But as you can see, Bass Pro Shops has a separate affiliate program. They too offer 5% commission and up to a 14-day cookie window. And they offer very similar products: fishing, boating, gaming, wildlife, just about everything that you need for outdoor sport and gaming can be a great way to make passive income. They also have other gear like shorts, gym shorts, things of that nature, but depending on where you are, this can be a good alternative to Cabelas. After Bass Pro Shops, we have Dick's Sporting Goods. Now, Dick's Sporting Goods has basically everything for indoor. They used to include some outdoor stuff, but they've had some recent changes in their policies where they don't have hunting equipment anymore. You can still find stuff like golfing and fishing and kayaking, but for the most part, you're looking at normal recreational games. You can find everything from baseball gloves to golfing and biking. This can be a good opportunity. Also, they sell fan apparel. So if you are interested in the Milwaukee Bucks that just won the championship, if you are interested in that, you can actually buy that type of apparel from Dick's Sporting Goods. Now, the one drawback to Dick's Sporting Goods is they only have a 7-day cookie window, so you have 7 days to make the sale. After Dick's Sporting Goods, we have the Adidas affiliate program. Now, the Adidas affiliate program is actually a pretty good one, and there is a lot of ways that you can make money. Now, not all of the products that Adidas sells are available for their affiliate program, but as you can see here, they give you a lot of detail. They tell you the target audience, they tell you the different types of ways to promote, and they also offer the cost per click or cost per acquisition. So there's a lot of opportunity over in Adidas. Again, men, women, back to school is going to be a good opportunity. You can promote shorts, you can promote shoes, shirts. There are some things off limits, but Adidas can be a good opportunity. After Adidas, we have the Nike affiliate program. Now, the cool thing with Nike is they pay up to 11% commission, as you can see here. They actually work with the A1 affiliate network. They offer a 30-day cookie window, which is a very large cookie window considering it's a physical product, and it's very popular. Now, again, not all products are available to promote with Nike. What you could do, and what I thought was a good idea on one of my earlier videos, was to create a YouTube channel for the basketball fan. If I go here, Nike's the official partner for the NBA. So what you could do is essentially create a Chicago Bulls fan Facebook group and simply talk about Chicago Bulls. Now, the cool thing is as your follower count starts to grow, people are going to add in their own input, and they're going to add their own content, which will help you grow faster. What you can do as an affiliate or as the group admin is simply add in links to new apparel. For example, with the Chicago Bulls, during St. Patrick's Day, they always wear the green jerseys. That's going to be a good opportunity to promote the green jersey in your Facebook group and potentially make money. But as you can see, they have men, women, kids, apparel, clothing for you to potentially make some passive income. After Nike, we have Under Armour. Under Armour is the growing shoe brand, I would say. It's probably in second or third place when you compare Nike, Adidas, and Under Armour. They have been gaining a lot of traction recently, but it still is a good opportunity. Now, the cool thing with Under Armour is they actually focus on, in addition to basketball and baseball, some of those normal sports, they also focus on outdoor gaming, fish, and wildlife. They have or sell camo gear. They sell all sorts of stuff, and they appeal to a wider range, which could be a good opportunity for you to make money. So you could create content on the best camo gear for 2021 and potentially start getting some leads and sales. But definitely check out Under Armour because they have all sorts of stuff. They've got baseball, they've got basketball shoes, they've got, again, camo accessories and apparel as well. After Under Armour, we have TaylorMade Golf. As you know, TaylorMade is a golf company. They offer golf clubs, golf balls, and it can be a good opportunity to make some money. Now, what you want to do is simply create a YouTube channel or even a blog talking about golf. You can show people different grips, how to swing a club, how to fix a slice if you want to teach people how to get better at golf. You could also create a channel about the latest golf news and trends and some of the latest beefs and arguments about golf and simply add in your affiliate link to TaylorMade. Now, most people that are watching golf or interested in golf also play golf, so it can be a good way to make some passive income. Now, after TaylorMade, we have Fitbit. Yes, Fitbit has their own affiliate program, and this is great for people that are interested in weight loss or maintaining their fitness. If there's a long distance runner, usually they're using some sort of wearable or smart technology, and you can simply promote Fitbit. Now, again, you can do this in a variety of ways. You can create a YouTube channel. You could actually promote on social media, Fitbit. Maybe you start a running club, a virtual running club, and then you add your affiliate link and people buy whatever product that you're recommending, and you could potentially make money. After Fitbit, believe it or not, I think eBay is a good opportunity. The reason being is eBay has a lot of stuff. They have sports memorabilia. They have secondhand used sports equipment. They have new sports equipment, and you could potentially make money off of all of it. What I would recommend that you do is pick a niche and create content within that niche. Create content in that vertical, and then you could potentially make money. But what I'd do is I'd click the sign up button to get started with eBay. And eventually, as long as you create content consistently, you can start getting leads and sales. As you can see, 1.4 billion listings, 80% new items, 183 million buyers in 190 markets. So you could sell soccer equipment, which would be a good opportunity. And then 90% have a buy now button. After eBay, we have Walmart. I think Walmart can be a good opportunity to make money with the sporting niche because they have all sorts of accessories and training gear. For example, soccer balls, basketball hoops, baseball bats, baseballs. For people that are maybe just getting into the sport, or for their kids that are just getting into the sport and you don't want to spend a bunch of money, you can run over to Walmart or Dick's Sporting Goods and potentially promote some of those things and make money. And then the final one that we have today is, of course, Amazon. Amazon's the largest affiliate program or affiliate network in the world, and there's just a ton of different products that you can promote. And the cool thing with the sports niche is if you are interested in, let's say, baseball's a pretty expensive sport. You need balls, you need bats, you need gloves, you need training equipment, you need shoes. There's just a lot of stuff that you need to buy when you get into baseball and some of the other sports that you can make very good money. And again, you could do this with a YouTube channel. You can do this with a social media, blog post. There's just a lot of opportunities out there to make money with sports, especially when it comes to training, high school getting started. Now that you know 11 different sport affiliate programs, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.